All right, so if I'm driving along, I'm driving down the road, let's say I'm in 6th gear, cruising along on a 70k road, I'm coming down to the lights, I'm coming down to the lights, I'm coming down to the lights. I would be then, just as I'm coming down, I put the clutch in, and as I come to the stop, we would just go 1st gear, and then handbrake to hold if I need it.
Yep.
The little rhyme is slow to the speed, then grab the gear you need. Now, if the speed is stopping, the gear you need is first. That's the next gear you need. So if you're coming down to the lights, you're slowing down, you're coming in 6th gear like the one out on Main North Road there.
Yeah.
The lights change, you're still 100 metres from the lights, grab 4th, clutch up, keep going. That's the gear you need.
Yep.
So we'll just do it driving.
Yep.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
This gentleman's coming to his car. Looking. He's still staying with his car. No one else anywhere. Just little clutch. It's called just using the clutch a little bit. The clutch is not all the way up, it's only partly up. Then it's down again, partly up, down again. Just touching a tiny bit more, and then down, let it roll. First. Handbrake so it doesn't roll. Didn't really need to change a second, but I am for purpose of demonstration. So down the end, I'm going to turn left, right? Coming down, can't really see yet. Slowing, clutch down first. Clear and safe, just keep going. Clutch back up again. Looking left and right. We'll turn right out of here, leaving in 1st gear. Coming down, just clutch down for a moment, so I've got it timed. Yep, and I'm going to stop and wait. Car could roll, so handbrake's up. Watching for the gap coming in the distance. There's someone coming from there. Little white Hyundai's the last car for the moment from each way. Clutch is up and holding. Let the handbrake down. Clutch is halfway out. Just sitting there. Now it's all the way out. 2nd. See my fingers? I'm just keeping the gear over there.
Yep.
Coming down along here. Going to turn right. Slowing. Brake. And off the brake and go. Leaving in 2nd.
Yep.
Not playing with it.
Yep. Yeah.
Picking up speed. Let's go 3rd. That car's coming out in front. It's all good. 3rd gear's the gear. We don't have any pedestrians here, so we don't have to do 25, but we do for that one.
Yeah.
So I'm slowing to the speed, which is 25.
Yep. And you're right to stay in
Clutch
3rd, or
down.
you would go down.
2nd.
Yep.
Clutch up. Go through at 25, checking for pedestrians. Signaling to the right, slowing, braking over the clutch.
Yep.
Don't need to stop, so off the brakes, just back on the accelerator. When I say over the clutch, my foot was ready, but it wasn't going down.
Yep.
Signal left. Picking up speed, that car's come out. I'm still going to use 3rd and stay slow. Down the end, I'm going to turn left, so I've looked in my mirror.
Is that legal what he did?
Yes. Braking. Pointing left, clutch is still up. Now it's down.
Yep.
1st. Go. That lady's waiting for other cars. Potentially could have been a possible fail to give way there. We'll just go straight at these lights, just so we're not going miles away.
Yep. Oh, sorry, I'll put the window
That's
up.
cool. Right, so there's 4th gear. Oh, damn, we're not going to get the stop. That's annoying. Little look behind. Quick scan that it's safe. Continue through. Still 4th gear.
Yep.
Down the end, we're going to turn right. Okay. I have to think, I'm pretty much expecting to stop there.
Yep.
So, look in my mirror, signaling, tell people what I'm going to do, and braking. Clutch is still up, clutch is still up, clutch is still up, clutch is... Can't see, all right?
Yep.
First.
Yep.
Clutch up. Down here we're going to turn right. No one to give way to there. Staying in second. These people are crossing the road I'm on. Rather, if they were crossing here, I'd have to give way to them. Second gear, just stayed in second. Didn't even think about the clutch.
Yep.
Down here,
Yep.
I'm going to turn right.
Yep.
Mirror, indicate, brake. Starting to look left and right. Can't see well, I'm going to go first.
Yep.
Looking and checking, looking and checking. It's good. Away we go.
Yep.
Got second. Turning left. Slow, 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 slow. Yep, there's a car there. So I've decided first. Double check and go.
Yep.
Slowing, braking, still second, still second, still second, still second, still second, still second, and stop. Basically, I was putting the clutch down at the end. Kept the brakes on.
Yep.
What do? You continue braking and then you clutched.
Yep.
So it didn't stall.
Because I'm clutching just before it stalls.
Yeah.
I'll show you what most people do, and you're most people, Jodie,
Yeah, I know.
when we come to these lights down here.
I always put my foot on the clutch before the brake.
Yep. You
Right.
brake way, like, if you see you're going to need to stop soon, you just, and then you sort of wander-ish through gears, and then this guy's going to do a U-turn.
I'm so not used to having 6 gears. I think that's what I'm struggling with, is I'm trying to listen to the car, but feel like there's more gears and I need to keep changing them.
Yeah.
But I really don't. But
So down here we're going
it's
to
a
turn
bit of a
right.
practice, I think.
Not check this.
Yeah, he got honked.
Yeah, the guy was trying to back his van out. Yeah.
He's just,
So you would go clutch down,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what
Every
I do.
time.
and then maybe neutral
Yeah.
somewhere here, somewhere, and you're sort of
And
going,
then
oh, I'm
find
not
the
sure which one I want.
yeah.
And then you finally decide on second,
Yep.
and then we're going to stop. So then you go first.
Yep.
So what is
Yeah.
the right way then?
The right way is just whatever gear you're in, bring it all the way down, then clutch as you. And we'll go around the block, and I'll just do it coming in here.
So you can brake without putting the clutch down.
Absolutely.
But I
Yeah,
always
the
put the clutch
opposite way.
down with the brake.
The wrong way actually.
Yeah,
Now-
me
I'm
too.
learning.
Me too. We've
Now,
got to relearn.
Now, be careful with wrong. It's not wrong. It works, but there is like a better way. And you've got to teach a learner if you're teaching them manual. So you want to give them a really, really methodical system that they don't have to think about. Because you've got good, Jodie, you've actually got good practical presence of how to use this machine called a car, right?
Yeah.
You're just working out as you go along because you can feel it.
Yeah.
When a learner first starts, they got no idea. So give them a pattern
Yep.
so they don't have to think.
Yep.
So I'm in second, coming down here. There is a car behind me. There's no one coming out. So that's annoying. I was hoping to have to stop here. That guy's come out. I could have stopped for him, but I haven't interrupted him.
Yep.
All right, so down here I'm going to turn left. Turning left. My foot is over the clutch but not down. I am braking. I'm
Yep.
still braking. I'm still braking. I'm still braking. I'm still
Yep.
braking. Oh, there's no one coming. Back on the power and
So
go.
it didn't even touch the clutch.
Didn't even
there.
touch the clutch.
Yep.
Turning left. We're
you're not
staying engaging. We're staying
If
connected.
you're not
we're
changing
staying...
gears, you don't touch the clutch.
Yep. Yep. And we're good.
Yep.
Didn't touch the clutch.
Again. Yep. Yep. So I would have straight away put my foot over
Now,
the clutch.
the first place you weren't near as practicable to the left was here.
Yep.
Basically drove straight up the middle of it.
Yeah.
Not
Yep.
quite, but you had the wheel over the centre.
Yep.
If there was a line in it, you would be partly on the wrong side the whole way down.
Yep.
In my commentary, I spoke about having to drive to the left and being careful of these guys because there's
Yep.
just not enough room.
Yep.
You can't leave that
Yeah. Yeah.
decent space, that 1.2 metres
Yep.
on the left. So down here, we're going to turn left. We know we're going to stop.
Yep.
Don't even have to think about it.
Yep.
But I still haven't put the clutch down yet.
Yep.
So I'm driving up to the line, brake, 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 and clutch first.
Yep.
Wait for that guy. Down here, we're going to turn right. This is mirror. slow, 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 braking. Scan the intersection is safe. Off the brake power. So in lots of ways, until you're getting stopped, or you're just driving it like an auto.
Yeah.
Waiting for this guy, didn't need to signal for that. Staying nice and slow. No need to clutch.
Yep.
See, I'm not even thinking about the gear shift
Yep.
until change gears.
Yep.
Now I'm not thinking about it again, except I'm braking just for him.
Yep.
In my mind, I'm going third, still fine. On we go. It's her.
Yep.
I'm not going, I might have to stop soon, so I'm going to clutch again.
Yep. Yep.
Really, and fourth. Let's pick up fourth gear. All right, down here, I know we're going to stop. So my plan is always going to be to stop. Slowing, braking now. Still braking, still braking, still braking, still braking, still braking, and clutch. First, wait, go. Second, clutch up. Drive to the corner. I'm going to go left. Slow, slow, slow. It's clear and safe. And that guy just turned, so I'm stopping. If he hadn't turned, I might have been going to keep going. But I wait until I make my decision. Then I pick my gear.
Yep.
Okay. Getting ready. Still clear to the left of me. No one turning across there. Still no pedestrians crossing here. That guy is actually turning in now. He's had the signal on all the way from the light, so I had no idea what he was doing. Clutch down and second, and clutch up and off and resting. I haven't got my foot hovering over the clutch. It's actually sitting on the footrest.
Yep.
Third, off and resting on the footrest. Might have to stop behind those guys. I'm just going to drive there for now. Making two plans. One is to stop, one's to not stop. Oh,
yep.
Third gear. Keep going. Traffic light's turning right. Little look behind me. Careful this guy doesn't drop his groceries. Signal to the right. Braking. Haven't been near the clutch yet.
Yep.
All right. Clutch and first. Clutch up a little. In. Check it safe. And turn. Second. Clutch up. Foot's on the footrest. Not stressing about clutch.
Yep.
Braking. I'm actually going to pick first. So clutch and gear up and drive around in first.
Yep. All right.